are the 5 pillars of an HVAC system. Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 5 pillars of an HVAC system. These pillars are the basic principles that help an HVAC system work properly and efficiently. First, we have heating. Heating is used to increase the temperature of indoor air during cold weather. This can be done using heaters, furnaces, or heat pumps to keep the environment comfortable. Second, we have cooling. Cooling is the process of removing heat from indoor air. Air conditioners and refrigeration systems are used to keep the temperature low during hot weather. Third, we have ventilation. Ventilation means bringing fresh air into the building and removing stale or dirty air. This helps maintain oxygen levels and improves indoor air quality. Fourth, we have air filtration. Air filters remove dust, dirt, and harmful particles from the air. Clean air is very important for health and comfort, especially in homes and offices. Fifth, we have humidity control. This pillar controls the moisture level in the air. Too much humidity can cause discomfort and mold, while too little can make the air dry. Conclusion. So, these are the 5 pillars of an HVAC system: heating, cooling, ventilation, air filtration, and humidity control. All these pillars work together to create a comfortable, healthy, and balanced indoor environment. Understanding these basics will help you better understand how HVAC systems work in real life.